Hey, what's up PC Bros? Jack and Zach here, and today we're going to be providing a little Christmas present for one of the PC Bros employees.
So we have built this PC for our front desk guy, Jake, and he has no clue. We have put this together, pulled some money together, and we're gonna catch his reaction here live in the video too, so make sure you don't miss that.
And big shout out to everyone on the PC Bros team who was nice enough to donate some money. We managed to pull together $530 from our personal wallets, and the PC Bros provided an additional $400. So hopefully Jake likes this PC, but at this point, I'm gonna show you guys how to build it, and then we're gonna do some benchmarking and get his reaction. So kicking this build off, we have the Ryzen 5 7600. This is a 6-core, 12-thread processor that is going to definitely get the job done. It does come with a stock cooler, but Zach's gonna tell you about a better cooler that we're gonna be putting on it.
All right, for the cooler, we have the Polar ST5 120 tower cooler. This is ARGB. Tower coolers are great because they are still affordable, still cheap, and they're super easy if you're new to PC building.
For the motherboard, we went with the Gigabyte B650M Gaming. So you save a lot of money going with a micro ATX board. This one actually does have Wi-Fi on it, which is pretty cool. So you're gonna get the latest Wi-Fi protocol, Bluetooth. But yeah, this is actually a pretty nice budget board, and it's definitely not gonna hold us back in any way.
And for the RAM, we have 32 gigabytes of DDR5, 6000 megahertz RAM. This is the Trident Z5, and it's RGB.
For storage, we have the Clev 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD. 1 terabyte's gonna be plenty because I think before he maybe had a 240 gig SSD, and this is pretty decent because it's good to start with. It'll fit most of your games, and later on, it's really easy to add more storage in that motherboard.
And for the GPU, we are rocking the RX 7600 with 8 gigs of GDDR6 VRAM. This thing is about 250 bucks and an awesome GPU for this build.
For the power supply, we went the Sigotep SN650. This is an awesome power supply. It has 650 watts of power. It's 80 plus gold. It's non-modular, so that's really the only downside with it. So you can bump up to the 750 if you need modular, but this is definitely really good for 50 bucks.
And for the case, we are rocking the Montech Air 100 with 4 ARGB fans that it comes with. This case goes around $70 and comes with that tempered glass toolless panel that you can take on and off.
All right guys, so now that we talked about all the parts, we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of building, and then we're gonna test this PC out. All right guys, so to kick off the benchmarks, we got a pretty demanding title. So this is Sons of the Forest, and we're currently running pretty much max settings. I'm doing 1080p for this test, and we're on ultra settings with FSR 3.0 set to balanced. Here's some of the other settings you guys can see. Very demanding title, very pretty looking game though, I will say. And as you guys can see, even though we got these really nice environmental details, really good looking rain, getting over 100 FPS, I've told people this before, and I'll keep saying it until it doesn't work anymore, but the 7600-7600 combo is one of the best combos out there. And as you guys can see, we're able to get 100 plus FPS at 1080p even on these AAAs, and then even switching over to something like 1440p, we can still get really high FPS, especially with the help of something like FSR. Alright guys, it's been a while, but we're playing some Halo Infinite. This is actually a map I don't believe I've ever seen before. We're just doing quick play, but we're max FOV. We're running high setting preset. This game doesn't really have any upscaling or anything to my knowledge. So just the high preset, max FOV, 1080p. And hey, check it out. AAA title, we're getting over 100 FPS. Pretty close to high high refresh rate as well. I'm sure if we ran like medium or even low settings, you know, we could definitely manage that. Yeah, it's looking really good. This is definitely a hard game to run. You know, it's fairly optimized because you can play this on lower end systems, but it definitely pushes the envelope when it comes to high graphic settings games. And there we go, won the game. So, hey, high settings Halo, no problems at all. I got one more game to test. Alright guys, we're now playing the finals. We're currently at 1920 by 1080p. We actually have some ray tracing on in this title, which is pretty cool for an AMD card. I'm going to be running FSR2 set to balanced. So high settings, balanced FSR for upscaling, and then we are running some ray tracing at medium. See what this thing can do. We're going to be doing a snowball fight, so this is going to be interesting. Alright, so we just got in the game. We're using 18 gigs of RAM right now, which this game is pretty RAM hungry. Maybe the upscaling has something to do with it as well. We're using 97% of our GPU too, so this is a utilizing game right here, but hey, 130 plus FPS, or at least around 130 it looks like most of the time, and it looks really good. Oh gosh. Oh, I probably could have swung that. Oh well. So it's just like a one-hit kill kind of deal. I have not played this snowball mode. But at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up with 30 mark time spy so we can get a semper point score, and then we'll go ahead and wrap up this video.
Yeah, you got it, yeah.
No, like for real.
Like, for real.
Like those are the specs of your PC.
This one right here. No way.
Yes,
This is actually a joke.
this is your new gaming PC.
Bruh. Wait, hang on. You actually have to be kidding me.
Yeah, this is a Ryzen 5 7600 with RX 7600 PC. That is now yours.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
PCBros team pulled together, got some money saved up.
No
and,
way,
we
you
built you
guys.
this.
Kidding me.
Yes, everyone here is involved in it. That's
Are
why you
you
have so many
actually-
cameras on you.
Well, yeah, I noticed. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
What do I think? I don't know what to think.
What game are you gonna play first? Please tell me it's not Terraria or Among Us.
I'm gonna download Elden Ring for sure.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Good choice, good
I'm
choice.
actually overwhelmed right now. I don't even know what I've got shit. No warranty.
Yeah, no warranty. Don't even think about it.
No warranty.
Shoot!
You gotta.
Man, what am I gonna do?
No warranty.
You better not try to sell it back to us.
Oh man. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Can you do me a quick favor, Bowles, and like stand right here and hold it?
Hold it up.
I just want to get like a little freeze frame.
I don't
for
drop
the
it. I'm literally shaking. I'm just like, holy moly.
All right, Bowles.
Bowles,
Alright.
you're welcome.
Merry
Enjoy
Christmas, just in time for the holidays.
This is this is way more than I was expecting. You could have told me to like have my hair done.
No.
You know when the husbands tell the lady
Oh,
when-
to get their nails done.
get their
and stuff?
nails done before
Yeah.
he proposes.
He's gonna come with a suit.
Yeah, he probably would have came dressed really nice. All right, PC bros, I'd say that went pretty well. And Jake, you're pretty happy about this?
I'm actually still like shaking a little bit, so you know I'm talking to customers being a little shaky. Yeah, I can't thank you guys enough for everything that you all did with this. This is awesome. It's a nice little Christmas treat.
So we hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to PCBros.tech, and maybe if you feel really generous, buy a PC from us.
PCBros.tech. If you want to save some money on your next game PC, use code ToastyBros at checkout. You save 3% on your next purchase.